Alright guys, so today we're going to check out this travel mount by Urban Beats. And if you want to read more about it, or if you want to purchase it, just click on the description below. Here at the office, I'm going to just test it out on the glass here. But it's for Mr. George's phone, or his car. He's got an iPhone and you want to use it as a GPS, or just not having the phone, you know, chilling in the cup holder. It's like an accident waiting to happen. I accidentally put my phone in a soda one time, where you throw it off on the passenger seat. But now they have the ones that you stick in the vent, and then they have the ones that you suction cup. So there's the back, and you see how the grooves are. You just put it in, and you click it into place like that, and then you can modify it all these different ways. So let's see here. Oh, I like that. It has even a little thing on the bottom so your phone doesn't slip out. How do you make it wider? I'm doing something wrong. There we go. Alright, so you just make it wider, and then you put your phone into it like so, and you press this button, and it'll kind of, or you can kind of just hug the phone, and when it's time to release, you can just press that button. That's how you do it. Yep. So when you get in the car, just tighten it in like that, and then when it's time to get out of the car, see, it's nice and snug. You can barely even pull it out from the top, but you just press this little button right there. Opens up for you. You take your phone out, right? So what we're gonna do is suction cup this to the front window over here. Actually, I think we should put give it a permanent home. I don't want to like take any of the, I think there's like some adhesive on here in addition to the suction cup. So can we put it in your car? Do you want to install it? Pick a spot, and all right, so now we're out at Mr. George's car, and you want to start with a clean surface, but you want to have it positioned to exactly where it'd be comfortable for you. Some people do it on the far left-hand side of your windshield. Some people do it in the center. You want it on the side? And then we have to worry about running the cord too for the power. So would you rather have it in the center?
Yeah. Where's the power cord for this?
I'll find it. It's probably in your middle thing, but we'll find the power because you want to have power going to it. Can you imagine having like 5% battery and you're GPSing somewhere? So let's find that. He took the charger and made it a pencil holder, but what we're going to do is we're going to save the pencil holder and turn it into what it's intended for. So there's that, and then I brought a wire from inside, so we have this, a USB, traditional to FireWire, and then we'll hook up this thing on a clean surface, and we'll be good to go. Okay, so we just want to make sure that it's not blocking anything when he turns on the car, right about here. So we're going to clean that little area, and we'll put it on. God damn, I have to clean the whole fucking thing. We need to get Mr. George a auto detail. Alright, so we're going to peel the adhesive. I think it's some adhesive, the plastic covering this thing. You want a virgin suction cup, because I don't want the phone falling while he's driving. If you reuse the adhesive a few times over. This is so difficult to get off. Alright, here we go. So, you get like a two-fold, right? You get the adhesive and the suction cup, so you know it ain't going nowhere. Alright, right about, is that good? Yep. Final. So you put some pressure on it, and then you see this little deal right there? There, that locks it into place. And then you want to just tighten. Just tighten this up however you like it. So right about. There should be good. Where's your phone? Alright, so whenever he gets in the car, just drop it in there like this, squeeze it together, and you can use it and say, hey Siri, you know.
Hey Siri, drive me home.
Oh, you got, what is it? And then all you have to do is probably say go. Click the go. Turn up your volume all the way.
Starting route to 1600 South Valley View Boulevard.
Alright, so we give you turn-by-turn instructions. And then now that we have this thing, just run this up here like this. Only if it's low. And if you want to get your phone out, you see the button to the side? You just press that. Spring loaded, opens up. Put that in there so it charges while you drive. You just squeeze it. If you're doing like a longer trip, most likely it should be charged at home. But if you have any trouble, at least you got a wire. You see how that's charging? It's green up there. So now it's time to get out of the car. You're going somewhere. You just press the button, take the phone, unplug it, let it hang, and then to close it out, you just double click because we're not actually going to the destination. But there you go. This will be around for as long as you own this car. It's on there nice and good. So if you like these type of videos, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and click on the link in the description. And if you want to purchase that particular one or something similar, I'll try to put a good one on.